You know, pretty much every action that we have online can be used to train AI models. Look, if we don't train them, then how will they develop? However, I don't think we're responsible for training all the AI models with everything we do. And for that reason, I don't want the AI models to be able to use my YouTube content for training. Let me show you what I'm talking about. And I'm in one of my YouTube channels. This one's called Word Games with Teddy's. I'm going to go to Settings. I'm going to go to Channel. I'm going to go to Advanced Settings. So under Advanced Settings, you might want to read through all of this and see if there's anything in here, anything else in here you want to change. But you may want to come down here to where it says Third-Party Training. Allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel content. Now, there's a lot in that statement that I need to unpack. For me, maybe for you as well. Let me read the rest of it. If you select this option, YouTube may share your videos with a third-party company, provided that you and all other applicable rights holders have chosen to allow that company. The training permission status of all videos will be available through a publicly accessible interface. Now I recommend you read this whole thing. I've bookmarked it. I'm going to come back and read it so I understand it. I've turned this off. I've unchecked that so that I don't let this data be used by third-party companies to train their AI models. So I'm going to hit Save. Now I'm going to go check another YouTube channel where I have not changed that setting and see what the default is. I'm going to go Switch. I'm going to go to Techno for Seniors, another YouTube channel that's in development. Go to Settings, go to Channel, go to Advanced. And if I come down here, it's not checked. So I'm happy by default. YouTube does not enable this feature. Allow third-party companies to train AI models using my channel content. It is not checked. I recommend that you look at this information, you make decisions how you want your YouTube channel set up for the channel, upload defaults, etc., so that you understand how your YouTube videos are being used to develop and train AI systems. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about YouTube. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail, and I hope this is helpful for you.